A question I commonly get asked when it comes to day trading and actually entering trades is, well, how do you know when or where a stock will stop going up? And for a lot of people, they like to overcomplicate it with all these indicators. Oh, when this indicator says this and this and that, that's how you know when to get out. But I'm going to simplify it to make it as easy as possible, because the reality of trading is the simpler you make it, the easier it becomes to understand. Now, how I like to guesstimate where a stock will continue or stop rising in price is through support and resistance. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. So in the case of just stocks, support and resistance will be these lines, these red lines that you see here. And practically what they mean is support, as you can see, when a stock breaks above it and retests it. At first, this line was resistance, meaning the stock had trouble breaking above it, as we can see here. And once it did break above it, we came back, retested this level, it held, meaning that it is now support. And notice how it came up to this other red line, and yes, it broke through it. It was not able to hold it though. And now this red line has become resistance, falling back down to this support line. We broke down below this support line, and now we are trading below or at that support, now resistance level. But of course you're wondering, well, Dre, how do I know where to put these lines? And how do I know that price will stop and go to these points precisely? Let's show you exactly how you can do that. So first, we want to start by going to the daily time frame, where each candle represents 1 day's worth of price action. We're going to exclude this candle here because this is the candle that is forming today for June 30th. So this one will be disregarded, because if we're looking at this pre-market, we would not see this candle here. So how do I know where to put these lines? Well, I start by looking at volume breakouts. And what that means is looking, as we can see, these candles, or not candles, I'm sorry, these indicators or bars here below indicate the volume for each day. So for example, this candle here had 1 million, let me stay over it, 1.5, almost 1.6 million shares in volume. This candle here had 23 million shares of volume. This candle here had 37.7 million shares of volume. Now, those are what are known as volume breakouts, which shows the most interest that traders have shown in that stock for that time period. Now, what we want to do is mark the tops and bottoms of these volume breakouts and breakdowns. So for the sake of this example, it won't be very precise, but as we can see, the high of this candle here is $9.94. So that's when we would take a line and put it there at